Hello friends, myself Professor Suvarna Jadhav from KK Wagh Arts, Commerce, Science and Computer Science College, Bahusaheb Nagar. My subject is Industrial Chemistry. Today I will explain agrochemicals. First of all, what do you mean by agrochemicals? Agrochemicals are looked upon a vehicle for improvement crop production technology through it is a costly input, balance use, optimum dosage, correct method and right time of applications of agrochemicals ensure increased crop production. There are many terms and examples are used in agrochemical. First, pesticides. Pesticides is any agent that has capacity to kill pest. For example, DDT, BHC, 2,4-D, malathion, etc. Then classification of pesticide. The classification of pesticide are as follows. First, insecticide, second, herbicides, third, fungicides, fourth, rodenticide, fifth, plant growth regulator, 6, bactericides, 7, nematocides, 8, limicides, 9, antiseptic. Then first insecticide. Insecticide it is a chemical which is used to kill the insect called as an insecticide. Then the classification of insecticide. The classification of insecticide are divided into two types. First, according to their mode of action, and second, according to their chemical nature and source of supply. In according to their mode of action, stomach or internal, example arsenate, contact or external, example DDT, BSC, aldrin, fumigants, example chloropicrin, naphthalene, calcium cyanide, attractant, example geraniol, metaldehyde, repellents, example mosquito coils, mothballs. Then, second, according to their chemical nature and source of supply. It divided into three types. First, inorganic insecticide, second, naturally occurring insecticide, and third, synthetic organic insecticide. In inorganic insecticide, example lead arsenate, calcium arsenate, Paris green. Then in naturally occurring insecticide, for example nicotinoids, rotenoids. Then in synthetic organic insecticide, it consists of DDT, BSC, aldrin, endosulfan, malathion, parathion, etc. Then the another pesticide is herbicide. Herbicide is a chemical compound used to control or destroy unwanted plant. Herbicide sometimes called as a weed killer. Then the classification of herbicide. It is classified into two types. First, according to their mode of action, and second, according to their effect of weed. In according to their mode of actions is consist of two subtype. First, selective herbicide and second, non-selective herbicide. In selective herbicide, it is used to kill the weed only without damaging crops, some of these interfering with the growth of weeds. For example, 2,4-D, Dalapon, Paraquat, Alacor, Butacarb, etc. Then, in second type, non-selective herbicide, it destroy all crop and vegetation and hence called totally weed killers. They use to clear waste ground, industrial sites, railways and railway embankment by killing all plant material. Then second classification according to their effect on weed. It consists of two types. First, systematic or translocated, and second, contact herbicide. In systematic or translocated herbicide, they move along vascular system of plants acting on their entire organism, then complete coverage is not needed in systematic or translocated herbicide. Then in second, contact herbicide, they kill only the part of plant to which they are applied but not translocated in the plant. Then the complete coverage is essential bean weed control. Then another pesticide is fungicides. Fungicides are biocidal chemical compound or biological organism used to kill or inhibit fungi or fungal spore. It is a chemical substance used to kill fungus called as a fungicide. For example, Bordeaux mixture, copper oxychloride, sulfur compound, formaldehyde, chlorine, etc. Then the classification of fungicide. Fungicides is classified into two types. First, according to their mode of action, and second, systematic or translaminar. In according to their mode of action, it consists of contact fungicide. In contact fungicide, they are not taken up into the plant tissues and product only the plant where the spray is deposited. In systematic or translaminar fungicides, they redistribute the fungicide from the upper sprayed leaf surface to the lower unsprayed surface. They are taken up and redistributed through the xylem vessel. In second classification, according to their chemical nature and source of supply, it consists of inorganic fungicide. In inorganic fungicide, these are made from metal compound, example Bordeaux mixture, copper oxychloride, sulfur compound, example lime sulfur, etc. Then organic fungicide. These are the compound containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen elements, example formaldehyde, chlorine, zineb, binomial, dithiocarbamate, etc. Then another pesticide is rodenticide. It is a chemical which is used to kill the rodents, particularly for control of house and field mice. Example warfarin, sodium monofluoroacetate, zinc phosphides, etc. Then next, plant growth regulators. Plant growth regulators are chemical substances that influence the growth and differentiation of plant cell, tissues and organs. Example gibberellic acid, indole acetic acid, cytokinins, etc. Then applications of plant growth regulator. The application are as follow. First, they increase the early germination of seed and stimulate root development. Second, it may accelerate ripening of fruit and seed and stimulate root development. Third, it is also prevent fruit from dropping off plants or trees before ripening. Fourth, they may produce seedless fruit and control sprouting of potatoes. Fifth, it may provide the industry the biggest market. Thank you.